Yeah, what's up, everyone? We have seen the peak of today. This is the beginning of a new week. So the peak of today is Nzdchf. So we have seen it, watching it, you know, on the 15-minute time frame where we pick our entry to sell, and there's a reason for this selling. Okay, we have seen this thing coming from, let's say, let's put a line right here. Oh, we've seen it rejected from this blue zone here, and then it's coming from this red box. You understand? That's where it's coming from. It's been rejected from this zone right here. It's bouncing back. Alright, so this is a sell to say. Okay, so we want to take a look at where are we supposed to break. We've seen this low that it created. Okay, this low that it created is a sign that we are actually going down. Okay, so what we're doing now is that we anticipate if it's going down for real, it has to come and break this box, this low that it creates right here. It has to come and break it. Okay, and so this is why we took a trade from this zone, one entry from this 0.65550, second entry from 0.65495 under this box. Okay, the idea is to activate these two trades. Okay, so now the exit, which is the take profit of these two trades, this first one, we exit on this support right here. This is one kind of support right here. If you see what I'm touching, 0.65104. Let me do it. This is the first exit. 0.65104. This is the first exit right here, 0.65104. If you can see it, this is it, 0.65104 is our first exit. For this second exit, okay, this second exit, we target the low. This previous low right here is where we want to target, but to be safe, we see one Fibonacci here, 0.65008. This second one. Okay. .65008. This is the second one. Okay, this is the second target, and this is it. We should have taken advantage of this high here, but to risk little, but based on a lot of things that we have seen, that the price at times may bounce back and try to drag this up a little bit before it finally turns around. That's why we have to say, okay, let us put the pending order here, 1, 2, so that when price is actually coming, it has to come and pick it up. So this is the peak, Nzdchf, going down on the 15-minute time frame. Take care and thank you.